welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Tami and this is my amazing wife Shae. Say hey baby.
Hi everybody.
Alright, so today we're gonna do a couples challenge. How well do you know your wife? So we have some questions and we're gonna see who knows who better. Let's get into it. Alright, so who's
Am I gonna go first?
Let me flip a coin. Heads or tails? Tails. Tails it is. Alright, start.
Okay. What is my favorite hobby?
Favorite hobby? Drawing.
Alright, I put doing creative art any type.
Okay, so drawing. Alright. So that's one for me. What is my favorite flowers?
Roses.
Correct.
Alright. It's a tricky one. Tricky. Who is my favorite dance hall dancer?
Is that tricky?
Get this thing
Tami.
Alright.
What is my favorite chocolate?
Godiva.
Godiva. Alright, correct.
Alright, getting a little bit intimate, guys. What place do I like to kiss on you the most? My go-to place.
My neck.
Yes.
Alright, what's my hidden talent? I have two here.
Hidden talent?
Yes, hidden talent.
Hidden. You draw.
I do draw.
Nobody knows about that.
I know. But I never did put that one there.
Cooking.
I put sewing.
That's not hidden.
It's
It
hidden.
is not hidden. Guys, if you see her fashion line, that's not a hidden talent because it's to the public eye.
And I put hula hoop.
A hula hoop, yes. Even though I'm gonna never see a hula hoop. I
Uh-huh.
think I'll buy one.
Hidden.
Alright. What is my favorite word?
Oh my god. Can I say it?
Say it. Everybody has.
Booty hole.
I say booty hole from the comedian Tiffany Haddish from Girls Night. She says booty hole.
Wow.
But
Alright. Alright, let me see. What's my two favorite dance moves? And if you don't know the name of it, you can just show me.
favorite dance moves, Mom?
One.
Don't rush. I honestly don't know because stop. She does this, whatever this is a lot. And I don't know, the ones I like. I don't know. Which one?
So, may have flary.
You do not do the flare all the time.
I
You used to do
I-
flare.
Well,
You can't say that.
and guara.
And I don't know what it's about. You know what, guys? Check her videos out to see if she does flare and guara. I am right. You do this more and
This
more
is
in your videos, and you do this more and more videos. We're gonna take that vote.
We're gonna take a vote.
We're gonna take a
Alright, people, comment down below what you would say my favorite dance move is. Alright?
Alright. Who is my favorite artist group?
New edition. What's my favorite food?
You know what? If they had a chicken coronavirus, it would be chicken coronavirus. Chicken.
Any specific type?
No, you didn't ask
Oh,
for
I'm
that.
not sorry.
Yeah,
I'm not saying. I'm
fried.
not saying.
Fried. No, air fry now. Okay, so what is my favorite drink?
Turkey baby. Tough. Blue Hawaiian?
Blue Hawaiian.
Alright. What's my 2 favorite colors?
You can't say 2 favorite colors.
What's my favorite color?
Your favorite color is black.
Alright, may have black.
What do you do to me that makes me scream every time?
Oh my god. You have to think about this.
Let's focus.
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 You focus. What do I do? Grab your butt?
Do I scream when you grab my butt? So you answer, so it's wrong.
What?
Pick me up.
Oh, I'm gonna Sorry. I never remember. But it's still in that area. So
It's not that. No.
What's my worst habit?
Gosh, do you even want to go public about it?
There's a lot.
Alright, I'm gonna go down the list.
Oh my god.
Leave the lights on.
Wrong.
Snoring.
That's it. Snoring.
Leaving the lights
But
on.
you still get it wrong, so.
Leaving the lights on
technically-
is number 1.
Yeah, but I only have snoring here.
You can't control that you
So-
snore every night.
No, I'm just saying that's my worst habit.
It's
so
not a
this is the
habit.
correct answer.
It's not a habit.
It's
A habit is
habit.
something that you can do. You cannot not stop
I
snoring.
cannot exactly. I can't stop it.
Right, you have no control over it. What you can do is what you have control over, which is cutting off the lights.
We're working with what we have here. And
You
guys,
understand the
snoring.
rules. Can you control your snoring?
Alright, moving on.
What is my favorite holiday?
Holiday. It's tricky, baby.
This is not tricky.
Is it Christmas?
No. My favorite holiday is
But
Valentine's
that
Day.
is not a holiday if you
It
want to
is
get
a holiday.
Not
It
a
is a
holiday.
holiday.
People
Do
go to
people
work.
celebrate it?
They
Do
do.
they celebrate
But
it?
they go to work.
No. I didn't say day off. I didn't say anything. It's still a holiday. It has a day on the calendar.
I know Valentine's is your favorite.
It has a day on the calendar across the world. It's just a holiday.
Do people get paid double or extra on Valentine's Day?
No. Do you get paid special, double, or anything when you work on a holiday? Alright, let's move on.
Alright. What's the name of my best friend?
Friends, plural? You're not
Mhm.
cool. Me,
Mm-hmm.
Tami Shae,
Mm-hmm.
Austin.
Yeah.
Same
I'll dread him.
Alright, let's go through all of that.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Hold on. I think I mixed up some stuff. Okay, how many brothers do I have?
Oh my god, you went there?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. I think we know about. What did I say? Three?
I have 4 brothers.
Oh, I didn't think about three or 4. We couldn't remember the other one.
Brothers.
Oh, God. Alright. Name 2 things we both.
It's a one answer question. Why you want the double question? She look
Listen.
at her. Then alright.
Alright. Name 1 thing we both have in common.
We love to dance.
Alright.
We love to eat.
Yep, those were the 2 things actually. Love food and love dancing. See? Easy, baby.
Tricky though. Alright, who is my favorite dancehall artist?
Elephant Man. Take it to them.
We're not dancing.
Alright. What was your first impression of me?
So rude.
Yeah. That's true. I was mean.
Alright. I already want to have an extra question. You got yours mixed up. I got one more.
One more question?
Before we went to that.
Well, then all over the place.
Okay. Organization is great.
Mm-hmm.
What do I love about you the most?
Oh my. What do you love about me the most? You never tell me that. I do order.
Is that your answer?
No. Gotta guess.
We'll give you a hint, even though I shouldn't give her a hint.
Please give me a hint.
You tell me all the time.
My love for you?
What's about it though?
Oh, my love, I'm scared.
I'm gonna give you that even though I'm gonna help her. I put that you love me unconditionally.
Alright. Here we go.
Now we're supposed to be in bonus.
Now we're over to the bonus round, guys. Here we go. What's the one thing you hated when I was living in Jamaica?
I hate a lot. And it can mean two different things. What did I hate the most? How you work all the time. You're not spending time with me.
Alright. Oh, that's not it.
But that's what I hate the most.
Alright.
You asking me what I hate the most.
I know.
And that don't make no sense because my answer is what I hate the most, not what you think I hate the most.
Alright, my answer that I have was when I'm on the phone with you, my coworkers will always interrupt.
Yeah, she did allow that a lot. I'm way over
Yeah,
here.
it is. I always thought about it, so you hate that.
I hate that you're always working when we're there. But that you talk about when I'm there, what I hate.
Okay. Alright.
Okay. So let me skip that one because we got plenty more.
Oh my god.
What do I love for you to do when we're out in a crowd in Jamaica?
Out in a crowd? Dance?
Dance for me.
Oh, dance for you. Yeah. Alright. Where did we go on our first date?
Technically, we went to Sharky's. No, not Sharky's. The place down the street that serves the jerk chicken.
Scotchy's. Yeah.
And that was via phone, people.
Listen. First date, we got flowers.
Alright, what is my favorite place to hang out in Jamaica?
Place to hang out?
Mm-hmm.
That's my mom's shop at the craft market?
No.
No?
South Beach.
Beach. Baby.
100% of our pictures are at the beach.
I know, but that's a hang out.
Hang out. We are hanging out. We are spending time.
True.
South Beach.
I'm sorry. I should have known. Who said I love you first?
You're gonna put me on blast like that.
I don't put you on blast.
Me. What was the first restaurant you taken me to? First restaurant.
It's technical.
Mm-hmm.
God. In Sharky's?
No. The first restaurant? It's not Sharky's.
Because you said restaurant, so I'm
it's
thinking
still a restaurant.
Than food
It's still a restaurant. Simply because it sells food. Try Doc.
Try that.
Go there
Try
like
that. What was the first gift I gave you?
Gift would be the flowers. Because it is a gift. Did you not remember that?
I did not remember that.
The first gift was a flower, the bouquet of flowers.
Listen, where did I think?
You said first.
Ah, you kill me.
We get 2 points for that. Because you forgot.
I had the painting. With
Right,
you,
but you gave me flowers before you gave me painting.
I know now.
You give me 2. One I missed, put it in a power. No. The ones I got right. You give me 2. Thank you. Because you forgot. Anyway. Alright. Who did I meet first? Your friends or your mom?
My mom.
No. No. Who? With those flowers, who was walking with you?
That's different. Maybe
It doesn't matter. You did say it. Alright.
You have a technical.
Well, it's true.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Which date did I came to live with you in the States?
Which day?
Date.
Date? The day of the month.
The day of the month.
Alright, so it's July 20th. I'm gonna come fly and get you in the morning, turn around, fly right back. So maybe I was in the airport all day. Alright. You have 2 more, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 more. Okay, what did you learn that I like before I sit down at the table?
Pull the chair out and seat you. What do I always do when I hug you?
I thought we were keeping it PG.
Listen, it is PG. But it almost was a question, silly.
Alright, where is my favorite place to stay in Ocho Rio?
That's tricky. Is it the Rio?
It is
The Rio. Yep, we get but. And this one is.
This one.
Probably have to go cut out a 1 year. Where is the craziest place we've ever done the? In my.
How is that PG-13?
Craziest, strangest, weirdest.
On the beach.
Where?
At the hotel.
Which hotel?
When I say it all on it. Jesus Christ.
Alright, so that's the end of it, guys. Let's tally up the score and see who is.
Count yours.
No, I think off mine.
So yummy. 1, 2,
That's
3,
all of mine. Let me get right.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 right.
But that's all of mine.
These are yours. 12 right. How many I get right?
So 1 and a half.
So me win.
No! I won!
No! You missed these.
Only these. Make it everything else right.
Right, but you missed all of these and me only missed 1. So me win. See how she cheats?
Alright, you know what? You win. You win.
Happy wife,
Happy wife, happy life. Me agree. Alright, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for joining us and the champion, the winner over here. And thank you for joining me today. Alright guys, so feel free to comment down below what you think of this video, and do remember to like, comment and share this video. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. And yeah, that's it.
Bye guys.
Bye guys, bye.